Here's an amazing new construction home, just literally finished. They got the driveway paved, which they weren't sure they were going to be able to do, but it worked out really great with the weather we're having. This was built. It's a ranch home, 2-bedroom, all one level, no stairs whatsoever, and the owner lives just across the street over a couple houses and has got a half a dozen rentals in this area. He's semi-retired, has a painting company, but he literally has done this for his retirement, and he really cares. Not that owners don't, but a lot of times, as people know, some landlords are better than others, and he really tries to think about what a tenant might want in his properties. He likes to have tenants long term, and that's what he's done. So, like, he built this storage building, which most people don't do storage buildings at all, and he even painted the inside, did like the floor specs on the floor. He wanted to give people a place to put stuff for storage. Everybody has storage, and so it's a really nice feature. The house itself, super efficient. It's got high insulation values, which is required with new homes these days. But he also did 2 heat sources. He's got what the state likes to see now is high efficiency heat pumps for heat. And he also did propane. And the high efficiency heat pump is awesome because it gives air conditioning in the summertime, as well as high efficiency heat. But shoulder season, like spring and fall, that's really good. In the middle of winter, having propane is a really nice feature. He also gives tenants a discount because he gets a discount on the propane. So he passes that on to tenants. Open floor plan, all LED lighting, bar top on the countertop. Of course, white cabinets, everything's sort of brand new. It's awesome. It's got a pantry or a coat closet here. And really nice cabinets. The storage that they have, it's just really great. These are soft close. Cabinets are soft close too. It is the luxury vinyl on the floor, so there's no carpet anywhere. A massive room, so plenty of room to have a dining table if someone wants. It's still a big area for living room, even to have like a sectional. If you notice, he does have window shades that come in all the windows too. And then it's got 2 big bedrooms. This is actually the smaller of the 2, and this would still fit a king size bed. It's kind of crazy. Good size closet here with a shelf built in. And it's got the full bath over on this side. There is a little linen closet there too. Notice it's got the step-in shower that's extra wide as well, and they even put in the holding bar in it. And there's a medicine cabinet over there, plus a medicine cabinet here, and some extra room if somebody wants to put in a makeup bench or something. There's another closet here. I should film this too. This one over here. Again, a lot of times people don't think about closet space, but linens or pantry here. So it's really nice to have extra closet space. Plus, there's a big walk-in in the master. So this is the master again.